Although 2020 has been a challenging year, we continued our mission to fulfill our vision. It's the reason why we work hard each day to bring fresh, clean drinking water from air for people everywhere. It is the birthright of every person in this world to enjoy the most basic human necessity of clean, pure drinking water, regardless of geographical location, skin color, or religious belief. We deployed many devices in more than 80 countries around the world. South Africa. Watergen provided clean drinking water to rural areas in this African country. Cambodia. Watergen's devices were installed in hospitals and across Cambodia's healthcare system. Gaza. Watergen deployed devices in hospitals and public spaces for people in need in the Palestinian territories. We will continue to reach more locations where communities are in dire need of drinking water. We wish you a happy 2021, full of health, happiness, and prosperity. Watergen, creating drinking water from air for people everywhere.